Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make soufflé easy. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly. Next, prepare your baking dish by buttering and sugaring it. This prevents sticking and helps the soufflé rise. Remember, the key to a light soufflé is gentle handling of the egg whites. We'll cover each step to ensure your soufflé is perfect. The foundation of a great soufflé is its flavor base, often a rich crème pâtissière. Start by whisking egg yolks and sugar until they are pale and fluffy. Gradually add warm milk to this mixture, tempering it to prevent scrambling. Cook this over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens to a custard-like consistency. This ensures a stable and delicious base for your soufflé.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable, unlike a deflated soufflé. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Achieving perfectly whipped egg whites is crucial for a light and airy soufflé. Begin by whipping your egg whites until they form soft peaks. Gradually add a small amount of sugar, then continue whipping until the whites are stiff and glossy. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause them to become dry and lose their volume. This step provides the lift for your soufflé. Now for the delicate art of combining. Gently fold about 1/3 of your whipped egg whites into the flavor base to lighten it. Then, carefully incorporate the remaining whites in 2 separate additions, using a light, upward motion. Pour the mixture into your prepared dish and bake immediately in a preheated oven. Your soufflé should rise beautifully in about 25 to 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.